What happened there? Did you draw on the door?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Why did you draw on the door?
Yeah.
למה? את רצית לצייר?
Yeah.
מה את רצית לצייר? רצית לצייר כלב?
Yeah.
Yeah or yes?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Open.
Okay.
Close.
Okay.
Close.
Okay.
Close. Close. I am going to eat you up. It's closed. Oh, Abigail fell asleep. Night, night, Abigail. Night, night. בוקר טוב. אביגיל ישן. בוקר טוב. Because you're taking too big of a bite. You can swallow what you have in your mouth. You don't have nothing. It's not a baby one. It's a big one.
Big one.
Yeah, תקחי a normal bite.
No, that's so sad.
No, סבתא sit? What, סבתא צריכה לעמוד?
That's a guy.
סבתא גיא?
That's a guy.
סבתא לא גיא.
That's a guy.
סבתא סבא.
That's a Saba.
סבתא זה סבא?
Yeah.
איפה סבא?
Tana.
מונטנה. איפה גיא?
Tana.
גם במונטנה. ואיפה פליי?
I'll talk.
You want to talk to Guy?
I'll talk.
To whom?
I'll see guy.
You want to see Guy? Guy? איפה גיא? גיא in Montana?
Yeah. I'll talk.
Guy,
I'll talk.
Guy's busy now. Guy's working in Montana.
You're busy.
He's busy.
You're busy.
Yes. Are you busy now?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
You're busy guy.
Guy is busy. Abigail busy?
Yeah.
Eating?
Mm-hmm.
Pancake is so good. You like pancake?
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh no. What?
Abigail.
Did you draw on the screen door? What is this, doggy?
No.
No. Puppy?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Nafari wants after to fix it?
Yeah.
How do you ask?
No.
You don't want milk? What? What? You don't want what you have in your mouth? Take it out. Take it out.
No, no.
No, no, okay, take another bite.
No, no.
Okay, don't have to eat it. You want your milk?